as a designer, we rely heavily on the visual judgment, right? So I like the idea of having documentation that me clearly view the whole system in one place, from foundations, components, large UI structure, and page. Figma has been incredibly strong in collaboration and design system, right? I still think that is a great tool, and I really value it. What if a part of the design system could live lively inside Claude in a way that is visual, readable, and directly tied to the actual product? All right, so this is second iteration. As you can see now, the design systems have the foundation set up and also the components, and get into the color, background, type, and the spacing from 4 to 40 sizing. And then you can see the button set out over here. So I'm thinking, because now we have the design system right now, right? Built on the top with the project all together. Then how we can utilize this design system to do further maintenance. For instance, I felt the button was too small and I wanted to feel a little bit wider and a bit more intentional. So I asked Claude, what is the current primary button padding was set to? And he will give me the answer, like what is the token it is using. Hopefully he applied that to the system. So he mentioned that the button style right now is set with 12 pixel, which is pixel px3, and then 10 pixel vertical. So I'm going to asking him, let's make the horizontal space from px3 to px4, and then just wait for a sec. So the button size, like padding is already increased, and as you can see, it's become much wider. And if we go back to the design system, you can see it's wider too, but I believe it's not obvious change. So I'm going to experiment with much wider exaggerative situation. So that's increase, make it much wider, go to pix 8, and that will be very much prominent to see how it changed, right? Okay, so now you see the button size is much wider, and we need to check the design system whether it's also reflect to the real page. So yeah, it is. When I come back to the button over here, it's definitely become wider. So that is how this is really what I want to share, just a small experiments. I believe tools like Claude can help a designer become much more efficient, especially when it comes to rapid iteration, faster conversation with clients, and getting a stronger product outcome more quickly. So yeah, just some ideas about how we can use the Claude or any AI coding tool to do some design stuff.